Welcome to Akula Maths YouTube channel. Today's session we discuss Laplace transform part 8.
First one, integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to c f of x into dx plus integral c to b f of x into dx, where c is any value between a and b. Here a less than c less than b. This is the first one. And the second formula is integral e power x dx is equal to e power x. And third one is integral a to b f of x dx is equal to f of b. That means f of x. Integral a to b f of x into dx is equal to f of x. That means we integrate f of x, it gives capital F of x. Then we substitute upper limit and lower limit a to b. That means this is the fundamental rule of integral calculus, that is f of b minus f of a. We substitute upper limit minus and we substitute lower limit. That means integral a to b f of x into dx can be written as f of b minus f of a. These are the three formulas we use this problem. Next problem. If f of t is equal to 0 if 0 less than t less than 2 and 4 if t greater than 2, then find Laplace of f of t. Solution. So now here we have to find the Laplace of f of t. So we know that Laplace of f of t is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus pt f of t into dt. This is the first formula in Laplace transform. So here we take f of t value 0 if 0 less than t less than 2. That means t lies between 0 and 0 comma 2. So f of t is, here f of t gives 0. T lies between 0 and t, f of t value is 0. And t greater than 2, that means t value is greater than 2, we take f of t value is 4. Right. Next one. So this can be written as integral 0 to 2 e power minus pt into f of t into dt plus integral 2 to infinity e power minus pt into f of t into dt. So that is equal to, here 0 to infinity lies, two values lies between 0 and infinity. Here 0 less than 2 less than infinity. So that is equal to integral 0 to e power minus pt. So here t value between 0 and t. So 0 and 2. So t lies between 0 and 2. F of t is value is 0. So f of t value is 0 into dt plus integral 2 to infinity e power minus pt. Here 2 to infinity. That means t value is greater than 2. So f of t value is how much? 4. So 4 into dt. So this is totally 0 plus integral 2 to infinity e power minus pt. This is 4 is constant. We write here 4 into integral 2 to infinity e power minus pt into dt. So that is equal to, now we integrate this one. This is in the form of e power x. E power x means 4 into e power x is e power x. That means e power minus pt. Now we differentiate this one, we get minus p. So now limits are 2 to infinity. So now we substitute upper limit. So here minus p is constant, that can be written as minus 4 by p into, first we substitute infinity, t value is infinity, e power minus infinity minus e power, we write t value is 2, lower limit, minus t value is 2p. So that is equal to minus 4 by p into, so this can be written as 1 by e power infinity, 1 by e power infinity minus e power minus 2p. So that is equal to minus 4 by p into 1 by e power infinity is infinity. E power infinity is equal to infinity minus e power minus 2p. And 1 by infinity value is 0. 1 by infinity value is 0. That is equal to minus 4 by p into, this value is 0 minus e power minus 2p. So here we multiply this one, minus into minus plus 4 by p into e power minus 2p. This is the Laplace of f of t is equal to, Laplace of f of t is equal to 4 by p into e power minus 2p.